I eat, you know. Eat. Eat again, though. I come to Skemmers World. You hear that? Now, lockdown, you know, thing already now. Sunday, you know. Yeah, man, Sunday thing the pants right now. Water war. You see? Water war on the block. I eat, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, you don't know. Watch, like, and subscribe to Skemmers World. You know, Skemmers World already. Anything goes, you know. You see? Lockdown. But yes, we still a play it. You see? I eat, man. So Shaker, say come down here for pose for. You take wet to the man. Man a fling off a man when them a piss and miss. Oh yeah, you get that one there. I eat, you know. Man run in and a run out. I eat, man. Dead him dead. That one they knock out. I eat, man, I eat, you know. Yeah, man. Watch, like, and subscribe to it, isn't it? Then I came as well. I came with this, you know. Yeah, man, I eat, man. Water war up and running. Bruh. Dead in there. Dead in there. Dead him dead. Yeah, man, a side B that them are dead. Morika get whole heap in her head. Head bust out. But done. But done. Hey, man. Side B. Not na normal. Not na normal. Oh, fuck that. I chop for them having another one there.
Man.
Hey, man. You are hot. Him dead. Right, man.
Something dead now. Something dead now. What kind of water? Something dead now. What kind of water?
Let him dead. They hold him. Right?
Yeah.
How we do match you in the water?
Daily in and there, my friend. Dead it dead. Oh, lad. I have to catch this. My boy, I want him there on side.
Yeah, take it there.
Yeah. I thought him turn over. So land that creep. Nah, eat you know. They out. Shut her in her body there. Cause say she name Nanny.
Nanny have to marry one of them.
So Nanny there. She said she name Nanny Jaden. Why Jaden?
Yeah, no, if you run up on them.
Dead in there.
I do murder. All right.
Crazy. Crazy. That's what I'm going. Crazy. Him get it. Eh? Him get friendly fire.
Chicken it. They want me to run us, you see, yeah? I know me and them was me.
I eat now.
Nah,
She can get it. Watch it. Get the bomb.
she got head full of fortune. She got head full of fortune.
Yeah, the war hot, you know. Yeah, the war hot. The war hot.
No, you fire for